fellow students, today we start new chapter, that is ecosystem, chapter number 18. So in this chapter we discuss about the ecosystem, types of ecosystem and diminishment of factors of ecosystem due to pollution. So first we discuss about the ecosystem. The world around us consists of living and non-living factor. The living factors are called as biotic factor and non-living factor are called as the abiotic factor. So there is a continuous interaction between biotic and abiotic factor, and that type of interaction forms an ecosystem. So before that we should know about the ecology. What is ecology? It is a branch of biology which deals with the study of ecosystem and related the factors of ecosystem. So that is called as the ecology. तो ecosystem क्या है? तो हम जब किसी geographic area में रहते हैं तो हमारा जो interaction है वो किससे होता है? Abiotic factor. So there is a continuous क्या होता है? Interaction between biotic and abiotic factor. So this is called as the ecosystem. Now we discuss about the components of ecosystem. Now that ecosystem having two main components, that is abiotic factor and biotic factor. So first we discuss about the abiotic factor. Abiotic factor divide into two parts, that is physical factor and chemical factor. Now physical factor, what are the example of physical factor? Air, water, vapor, minerals, soil and sunlight. And that chemical factor again divide into two parts. First is the inorganic substance and second is the organic substance. So what are the examples of inorganic substance? Hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, calcium, iron, potassium and sodium. So all these substances are the inorganic substances. And what are the example of organic substances? The substances which form from the plant and animals. उसे क्या कहते हैं? ऑर्गेनिक सब्सटेंस. यानी जो सब्सटेंसेस हम डायरेक्टली कहाँ से हमें मिलते हैं वो सब्सटेंस फ्रॉम प्लांट एंड एनिमल्स, तो उसे क्या कहते हैं? ऑर्गेनिक सब्सटेंस. सो ऑर्गेनिक सब्सटेंसेस के कौन से एग्जांपल है? प्रोटीन है, कार्बोहाइड्रेट है, लिपिड है. सो दीज आर द इम्पोर्टेंट मैक्रोमोलिक्यूल्स व्हिच आर प्रेजेंट इन द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म. Now we discuss about the biotic factor. Now that biotic factor are divided into the three main types: producer, consumer and decomposers. So producer are the plants. All green plants prepare food for others, so they are called as the producer. Then consumer, all animals are called consumer, and decomposers are the microbes. The organic substances like protein, carbohydrate and lipids from the dead bodies of plant and animals are converted into the inorganic substances. Which inorganic substances? That is hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, calcium, iron, potassium and sodium with the help of microorganisms. So microorganisms are called as the decomposers. तो decomposers क्या है? Microorganism है जो क्या करते हैं? जो ऑर्गेनिक सब्सटेंसेस है फ्रॉम द डेड बॉडीज ऑफ प्लांट एंड एनिमल्स लाइक प्रोटीन, कार्बोहाइड्रेट और लिपिड्स, तो उसका कन्वर्शन वो किस में करते हैं? इनऑर्गेनिक सब्सटेंसेस. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द डिकम्पोजर्स. नाउ दैट कंज्यूमर्स आर द एनिमल्स, एंड एनिमल्स अगेन डिवाइड इनटू द थ्री टाइप्स, दैट इज प्राइमरी कंज्यूमर, सेकेंडरी कंज्यूमर एंड टर्शियरी कंज्यूमर. So in this way there are the various components of the ecosystem. Now we discuss about the structure of ecosystem. So we know that all living organisms need abiotic factors, okay, and also they have a capacity to adapt to those abiotic factors. यानी सभी प्रकार के जो biotic factors है तो वो उनको किसकी जरूरत रहती है? दे नीड अबायोटिक फैक्टर्स ऑफ द एनवायरमेंट. और जो भी अबायोटिक फैक्टर्स है तो उसकी जो नीड है, यानी वो किस तरह से उसको अबायोटिक फैक्टर को क्या करते हैं? अडॉप्ट करते हैं. ठीक है, दे हैव टू अडॉप्ट दीज अबायोटिक फैक्टर्स ऑफ द नेचर, मीन्स दे हैव अ कैपेसिटी टू अडॉप्ट दिस abiotic factor. For example, some plants or some microorganism. First we see the microorganism. Some microorganisms grows in presence of oxygen and some are don't. Another example, that is some plants grow well in sunlight. They require more sunlight, while some plants grow in a shade, or they require very less amount of sunlight. We know that all the abiotic factors like air, water, soil, temperature, humidity, so all these factors affect the biotic factors. यानी ये सब जो factors है ये किसको affect करते हैं? Abiotic factor. And these abiotic factors also decides whether that biotic factor will survive or not, or what will be the number of that biotic factors. The proportion of abiotic factors are always changing. जो proportion रहता है abiotic factors का वो क्या होते रहता है? Change होते रहता है. क्यों होते रहता है? Because it is used by the biotic factor and also excreted by the biotic factor. और इसके कारण जो abiotic factor है उसका proportion change होते रहता है. और इसमें जो biotic factor है, okay, they are affected by the abiotic factor and also affected by the other biotic factors. So every living organisms plays an important role while living and moving in an ecosystem. The position of the living organisms in context to the other living organisms and the role it is playing is called as the niche. क्या कहते हैं उसे? niche. For example, sunflower plant grow in the garden and it evolves oxygen and it also provide food and shelter for the insect like ants and honeybees. So in this way there is a interaction between biotic and abiotic component. Now we see how that interactions. Now see this diagram. Now here that abiotic factors like soil, then water, carbon dioxide, organic substances, okay. So these, with the help of that substances, plant convert that abiotic factors into the food. So by the process of photosynthesis, means abiotic factor used by the biotic factor, okay, and then that biotic factor again used by the biotic factor like primary, secondary and tertiary consumer. Here also heat is evolved, or there is a release of heat. Means the inorganic substances used by the plants and then they produce the food, okay. So this food taken up by the biotic factor and then that food transferred from one trophic level to another trophic level, that is primary, secondary, tertiary consumers, and during that process heat is evolved. Now after the death of this biotic factor, that biotic factor contains organic substances and these organic substances are converted into the inorganic substances by the decomposers, and decomposers are the microorganisms. यानी जो भी biotic factors है जैसे primary, secondary और tertiary consumers जो रहते हैं, तो उसके डेथ के बाद क्या होता है, ये डिकम्पोज होते हैं बाय द डिकम्पोजर्स, और उसमें जो ऑर्गेनिक सब्सटेंसेस हैं ये किस में कन्वर्ट होंगे? इनऑर्गेनिक सब्सटेंसेस. सो दे आर डिकम्पोज बाय द डिकम्पोजर्स एंड हियर मिनरल्स आर रिलीज, यानी ऑर्गेनिक सब्सटेंसेस आर कन्वर्टेड इनटू द इनऑर्गेनिक सब्सटेंसेस. ओके, सो दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड एज द decomposition of dead bodies by the microorganisms. Now here that free minerals which are released, okay, so they are again recycled, means again they are taken up by the plants, okay, means from abiotic factor these minerals transfer to the biotic factor and from biotic to abiotic factor. So this cycle is going on continuously, and in this way there is an interaction of between means living and non-living things takes place and it forms a ecosystem.